kind of jeans she got? I got the Jesus jeans in my blood. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sperry, and I'm back with another video. Today we are doing a hair tutorial. Got this nice hair braided by my hairstylist, and I like it, but I'm not a fan of short hair. Like, after she got done, I thought like, oh, this looked really cute or whatever, but like literally like an hour later I was just so out of it because it was all in my face. I couldn't hold it back. I'm gonna try and put in some extensions. I'm not sure if I want to use hair or yarn. I just feel like there's gonna be a lot of mess for me to clean up after the hair, and I'm not here for it. So maybe if I use yarn, I don't know. So I'm gonna make these longer twists instead. And look at this shrinkage. Oh, I also got a trim. I look like a kid, y'all, and I can't believe I'm running into my 30s. Not this year, but it's still getting closer and closer. Back, and I got some jewelry out with me. We're gonna use this. Besides, like, this is gonna be fast. Really fast. So this is not gonna make a mess, so it's freaking amazing. My scissors just got broke. Okay, y'all, this is how much yarn we have. I'm gonna finish the back of my hair, and then when I get to the front part of it, I'll come back and show you guys how it's done. Everybody's got a song. Everyone's a little different. Evil done wrong, and the Savior came and he took the blame, changed everything. So we are finally into the tutorial. I took one of the twists that I already had, as you saw in the beginning of the video, and I untwisted, and of course I'm gonna make sure I moisturize my scalp. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. Usually I do use shea butter, but for my braids most of the time I use some other creams that have like India hemp in it. And of late I've liked chapter 2000, so I've been using that, but in this video I used the softy India hemp. The technique I'm using for the individual twist is that I'm gonna use the yarn to pass underneath the hair 2 times, and then I'm gonna start twisting it. And for this particular twist I ended up using 4 strands per braid. So what I do for this technique is, just after I pass the hair underneath my hair, I twirl it and then twist it. I twirl and twist. Sometimes I do braid, like, you know, a little bit of a box braid underneath my hair before I start twisting it. Make sure you twirl and twist. If you twirl and twist, the hair ends up looking more finer, but if you do not twirl and then you just twist, it's gonna look bulky. So depending on your preference, you can always do what you want. Alright, so for the braids with the twist, I'm gonna just take the twist part of it out. And then I'm still using 4 strands, but first of all I'm gonna use 2 strands to put in the middle of the twist, and then just twirl about 2 times. I mean, twist it about 2 times. Of course, twirl and twist, and then I add the next 2 strands to make it in total of 4. I do this because I don't want the joining part to become way too bulky. I actually wanted to use 1 and then add 1 as I go on, so like I get to 4, but it was not giving really like given, so I ended up using 2 first and then joining it up with another 2. After the hair is braided, I take 2 of the strands and then I'm just gonna tie a knot. You can use 1, but for me, I feel like 1 is not really secured, but you can use whatever you want. In case you didn't catch it the first time, I'm gonna repeat the process again. So what I do is just take the twist part out of the braid. Then I'm gonna put 2 strands of yarn in the center of the braid, and then I'm gonna twist it by twirling it first before twisting. And then after that, I do that about 2 to 3 times, and then I add another strands of yarn, 2 strands of yarn, and I'm also going to just twirl it first and twist it because I don't want it to be bulky. I want it to be seamless. So for it to be seamless, make sure you twirl first and then you twist it. So the hair is finally done. I was trying to see how like the look could be, like if I decided to do a center part, and it was not really given, as you can see. So I decided to just put it back in its natural way that it was braided. So personally, my scalp is very dry. I have a dry scalp and a flaky scalp, so I always make sure I moisturize my scalp, and basically that's what you see me doing over here. So let me know in the comment box what you think about this hair, my before and after. I think it looks pretty good. I think it turned out great. So just let me know in the comment box what you think about it and how you would rate this between 1 to 10. Will you rate it a 1 or a 10? I think it's a 10 personally.
Hey y'all, so it's finally done. This is how it looks. Well, it's not all done because I didn't burn the tips yet, but I'm gonna do it another day. Right now it's late, I had to go out, so I rubbed it like this. But I'm pretty sure y'all saw how it looked, and right now this is how it looks. Here's the braiding side and here's the side that I did. I think it looks pretty good, and I don't want to actually burn the tips like right now. I don't feel like doing it. I'm a little tired from where I went. So I'm probably gonna do it maybe on Monday or Tuesday. No, either tomorrow or Monday. Today is Saturday, Sunday is church, so depending on how church goes, if I'm tired, I'm not gonna do it because I think I can still work out with this. And if I'm not tired, we're gonna bend the tips, and then maybe you might just, put it on like me without holding it back. But right now, because it's not burned, so I'm holding it in the back right now, so yeah. Alright y'all, so let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like it or do you not like it? But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and also subscribe down below if you're not subscribed, because why not? Right? Alright y'all, so I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Love you guys so much. Bye y'all.
They told you that you couldn't do it 'cause you